I own Sportsfan. We are Colorado's largest independent retailer of licensed sports merchandise. We have 4 stores across the Front Range, and we're based right here in Denver. So COVID has been very difficult for our business. We had to close all of our stores. They were closed for about 2 months, and obviously in that time we had to lay off a bunch of our employees. Fortunately, we were able to get virtually all of them back, and they're really excited to be back. But we are slowly creeping out of this and really need for people to come out and support us as long as they feel like they can do it in a healthy way. You know, we tackled these challenges in a lot of different ways. I think the first one was obviously putting in all the safeguards that you need in a retail environment to keep shoppers and our employees safe. But in terms of the sales recovery and trying to recover the business, it's really been about the sidewalk sale and putting things out in an environment where people feel comfortable to shop and can be exposed to all the great deals that we have and up and down the mall exist. There's probably 2 things that are really important for shoppers to understand about coming and shopping at Sportsfan right now. The first is we've tried to make it as safe as it possibly can be. Obviously that's the most important. But secondarily, for any sports fans out there, we have a ton of merchandise from NFL, NBA, all the leagues, and really look forward to having folks come out and support the Avs and the Nuggets as they go through the playoffs and get the Rockies back on track and kick off the season with the Broncos. Now is a terrific time to come visit us in all 4 of our locations, 2 on 16th Street, 1 right by the Broncos Stadium, and 1 in Park Meadows. The 2 on 16th Street are going to be running sidewalk sales with stuff up to 80% off. So we're really excited. Hope to see you soon.